Today we are going through exercise 5.4. First question, differentiate e raised to x divided by sin x with respect to x. So let y is equal to e raised to x divided by sin x. Okay, y is equal to e raised to x by sin x. What we have to find? We have to find dy by dx. That is derivative of e raised to x divided by sin x with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to d by dx of e raised to x divided by sin x. See, this given function is of the form f of x divided by g of x or u by v. You know how to differentiate it? See, here apply quotient rule. Okay, u by v, derivative of u by v is nothing but v into derivative of u minus u into derivative of v divided by v square, right? U by v, derivative of u by v is equal to v into derivative of u minus u into derivative of v divided by v square, right? Apply it here. That is d by dx of e raised to x divided by sin x is denominator into, okay? Here u is e raised to x, v is sin x. So v into, that is sin x into derivative of e raised to x, okay, minus here u into, right, that is e raised to x into derivative of sin x, d by dx of sin x, whole divided by v square. What is v here? Sin x, right? So sin square x, not v, sin square x. Okay, then that is equal to, here one condition is here, x not equal to n pi. Okay, why? Because sin n pi is 0, right? So if it is 0, this function is not defined. Okay, so sin x into d by dx of e raised to x minus e raised to x d by dx of sin x divided by sin square x. Let's find the derivative. Okay, sin x into d by dx of e raised to x, derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x itself. Okay, minus e raised to x into d by dx of sin x is cos x divided by sin square x. Okay, in numerator e raised to x is common. Let's take it out. Okay, so e raised to x into sin x minus cos x divided by sin square x. Here x not equal to n pi. Okay, x not equal to n pi. That's all. It is the derivative of given function. Next is e raised to sin inverse x. Y is equal to e raised to sin inverse x. Okay, how to differentiate it? dy by dx is equal to d by dx of e raised to sin inverse x. That is equal to, here first we will differentiate e raised to x. Okay, see, just consider sin inverse x. Take sin inverse x as x. Okay, so what is the derivative of e raised to x? E raised to x itself, right? So here we will write e raised to, not x, sin inverse x, right? Sin inverse x into derivative of sin inverse x, d by dx of sin inverse x. That is equal to e raised to sin inverse x into derivative of sin inverse x is 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x square. That is equal to e raised to sin inverse x divided by square root of 1 minus x square. See, what is e raised to sin inverse x? Y itself, right? So here we can substitute e raised to sin inverse x is equal to y. So y divided by square root of 1 minus x square. So dy by dx is equal to y divided by square root of 1 minus x square. Differentiate e raised to x cube with respect to x. Y is equal to e raised to x cube. Okay. So what is dy by dx? That is derivative of e raised to x cube with respect to x. Here d by dx of e raised to x cube d by dx of e raised to x is e raised to x itself, right? So e raised to x cube is e raised to x cube into derivative of x cube. Okay, applying chain rule. Okay, so here d by dx of e raised to x cube is e raised to x cube into derivative of x cube, that is d by dx of x cube. Okay, that is equal to e raised to x cube into derivative of x cube is nothing but 3x square, right? Why? Because d by dx of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1. So d by dx of x cube is, here n is equal to 3. So 3x raised to 3 minus 1, that is 2. Okay. So d by dx of e raised to x cube is, see, first of all you just take x cube as x. So what is the derivative of e raised to x? E raised to x itself, right? So e raised to x cube, but not x here. Okay. E raised to x cube into derivative of x cube. Okay. Chain rule. Then e raised to x cube into derivative of x cube is 3x square. So what is e raised to x cube? That is nothing but y, right? So substitute e raised to x cube is equal to y. So y into 3yx square. So 3x square y. That is the derivative of given function. Differentiate sine of tan inverse e raised to minus x. Sine of tan inverse e raised to minus x. Okay. So here also we have to apply chain rule. Okay. In almost all the problems we will have to apply this chain rule. So here sine of tan inverse e raised to minus x. So first we will find the, okay, first of all let's write y is equal to sine of tan inverse of e raised to minus x. Okay. Tan inverse of, okay, not a tan inverse into e raised to minus x, tan inverse of e raised to minus x. Okay. Now here we have to find dy by dx. Okay. So what is derivative of this function? Sine. Derivative of sine is cos. Cos of tan inverse e raised to minus x. Okay. Then into, because sin x is, derivative of sin x is cos x. Right. So derivative of sine tan inverse e raised to minus x is cos tan inverse e raised to minus x into derivative of this inside function. Okay. That is derivative of tan inverse x is 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Right. Derivative of tan inverse x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay. But here it is not x, e raised to minus x. So in place of x we should write e raised to minus x. Then into derivative of e raised to minus x. Okay. See here, cos of tan inverse e raised to minus x into derivative of d by dx of tan inverse of e raised to minus x. Okay. Now cos tan inverse e raised to minus x into, now let's find the derivative of this one. Okay. Here tan inverse x is nothing but, see, derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay. So derivative of tan inverse e raised to minus x is 1 divided by 1 plus, not x, e raised to minus x. E raised to minus x whole square. Okay. Here it is not completed into derivative of e raised to minus x. If it is x, okay, it's completed. Okay. But it is e raised to minus x. So again we have to take the derivative of this function. Okay. Okay. D by dx of e raised to minus x. Okay. Then cos tan inverse e raised to minus x into 1 divided by, here 1 e raised to minus x whole square, that is nothing but e raised to x square, right? Because see, e raised to minus x whole square, that is equal to e raised to minus 2x. Okay, not e raised to x whole square, it is e raised to minus 2x. Okay. So 1 plus e raised to minus 2x into d by dx of e raised to minus x. What is d by dx of e raised to x? E raised to x itself, right? So what is derivative of e raised to minus x? See here, d by dx of e raised to x is e raised to x. Okay, d by dx of e raised to minus x is nothing but d by dx of e raised to x is e raised to x, right? So d by dx of e raised to minus x is e raised to minus x into derivative of minus x. What is the derivative of minus x? That is minus dx by dx, that is minus 1. Right? D by dx of x is 1. Okay, d by dx of minus x is nothing but minus 1 into x. Right? So minus 1 into dx by dx, that is minus 1. So here d by dx of e raised to minus x is e raised to minus x into derivative of minus x. D by dx of minus x, that is, it is minus 1. So minus e raised to minus x. Okay. D by dx of e raised to minus x is minus e raised to minus x. Okay. D by dx of e raised to x is e raised to x itself. So e raised to minus x into minus 1, that is minus e raised to minus x. So that is equal to, here we can write minus e raised to minus x into cos, okay, rewriting this one, okay, tan inverse e raised to minus x. Here we cannot substitute y because it is sine, it is cos, okay, divided by 1 plus e raised to minus 2x. That's all. So it is the derivative of given function. Differentiate log of cos e raised to x with respect to x. Y is equal to log of cos e raised to x. Here it is not cos into e raised to x, cos of e raised to x. Okay. So dy by dx is equal to d by dx of log of cos e raised to x. Okay. Okay. Then, so first we will find the derivative of log, right? Because it is log of. Okay. What is derivative of log x? See, take this function as x. Okay, this term as x. So log x. So what is the derivative of log x? 1 by x, right? So it is 1 by, but it is not x, cos of e raised to x, okay? Cos e raised to x. Okay? Into derivative of this inside function, okay? That is d by dx of cos e raised to x. That is equal to 1 divided by cos e raised to x into derivative of cos e raised to x. What is derivative of cos x? Minus sin x. Here you just consider, take it as x. So what is derivative of cos x? Minus sin x, right? So here minus, it is into is here, okay? It is multiplication, not a subtraction. Into, okay? Multiplication. So minus cos, derivative of cos e raised to x is minus sin e raised to x, okay? Not minus sin x. Sin cos e raised to x is, derivative of cos e raised to x is minus sin e raised to x into derivative of this function, okay, d by dx of e raised to x. That is equal to, okay, let's write 1 divided by cos e raised to x into, I will write minus here, okay, sin e raised to x into derivative of e raised to x, that is e raised to x itself. Okay, then that is equal to, here, minus sin e raised to x divided by cos e raised to x into e raised to x. That is, here, what is sin by cos? Sin e raised to x divided by cos e raised to x is tan e raised to x. So minus e raised to x into tan e raised to x, minus e raised to x into tan e raised to x. Okay, that's all. It is the derivative of given function log of cos e raised to x. differentiate e raised to x plus e raised to x square plus etc. plus e raised to x raised to 5 with respect to x. So y is equal to e raised to x plus e raised to x square plus here it is e raised to x cube plus e raised to x raised to 4 plus e raised to x raised to 5. Okay, e raised to x plus e raised to x square plus e raised to x cube plus e raised to x raised to 4 e raised to plus e raised to x raised to 5. So let's differentiate dy by dx, that is equal to dy by dx of these all terms, that is d by dx of f of x plus g of x is d by dx of f of x plus d by dx of g of x, right? So d by dx of e raised to x plus d by dx of e raised to x square plus d by dx of e raised to x cube plus d by dx of e raised to x raised to 4 plus d by dx of e raised to x raised to 5. Okay, then that is equal to d by dx of e raised to x is e raised to x itself. Okay, then next d by dx of e raised to x square, d by dx of e raised to x is e raised to x, so e raised to x square into derivative of x square, okay, that is 2x. Okay, then plus here d by dx of e raised to x cube, e raised to x is e raised to x, right? Derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x itself. E raised to x cube is e raised to x cube into derivative of x cube, okay? E raised to x cube into derivative of x cube 3x square plus d by dx of e raised to x raised to 4 is e raised to x raised to 4 into derivative of x raised to 4, that is 4x cube. Okay, plus here also similar e raised to x raised to 5. Okay, d by dx of e raised to x raised to 5 is e raised to x raised to 5 into derivative of x raised to 5 is 5x raised to 4. Okay, because derivative of x raised to n is derivative of x raised to n is n x raised to n minus 1. Okay, so derivative of x raised to 5 is 5x raised to 4. Okay, then it is equal to, that's all, rewrite this one. Okay, e raised to x plus 2x e raised to x square plus 3x square e raised to x cube plus 4x square e raised to x raised to 4 plus 5x raised to 4 e raised to x raised to 5. See, in all the terms e raised to x is common, right? So let's take it out. E raised to x into 1 plus 2x e raised to x plus 3x square e raised to x square. Okay, we have taken e raised to x outside, so here it will be e raised to x. Okay, then e raised to x plus e raised to x square plus 4x square e raised to x cube plus 5x raised to 4 e raised to x raised to 4. That's all. Differentiate square root of e raised to root x with respect to x. Okay, where y is square root of e raised to root x. So dy by dx is equal to, see, first we will take the derivative of square root. This is square root. So what is the derivative of root x? D by dx of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Right? 1 by 2 root x. So derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So here you just take it as x, then what is the derivative? 1 by 2 root e raised to root x. Okay, e raised to root x. Okay, it is the derivative of root x. Square root, derivative of square root x is 1 by 2 root x. So square root of e raised to root x is 1 by 2 root e raised to root x into derivative of this inside function. That is, inside function is e raised to root x. Okay, d by dx of e raised to root x. That is equal to 1 by 2 root e raised to root x into derivative of e raised to root x. Derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x itself. E raised to root x is e raised to root x into derivative of root x. Okay. Then that is equal to 1 by 2 root e raised to root x into e raised to root x into d by dx of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Okay, d by dx of root x is 1 by 2 root x. That is equal to, see here, see what is this one? It is nothing but y, right? It is y. Okay, it is y square. See, if you are confusing, you don't do anything. Don't go to any simplification. Okay, so you can stop here. Otherwise, see here we can write it is nothing but root of e raised to root x. See 1 by 2, it will be 1 by 4, right? So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, that is 1 by 4 into, it is 1 by root of e raised to root x is y into e raised to root x. See, this can be written as, it is nothing but y is equal to square root of e raised to root x. So what is y square? E raised to root x, right? So we can write it as y square. Okay, that is 1 by 4 into 1 by y into y square, and this root x is here, right? Okay, root x, y square divided by root x. So y, 1y cancelled, so it is y divided by 4 root x. Okay, y divided by 4 root x. How? See, 1 by 2 root e raised to root x. So this 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 4. Okay, and 1 divided by this square root of e raised to root x is y. Okay, see, if you don't have time, don't go to simplify. Okay, so you just stop here. Okay, stop from here. So here it is square root of e raised to root x, that is y. Okay, into e raised to root x. If y is equal to square root of e raised to root x, y square is, see, when you take the square on both sides, you will get y square is equal to, this square will be gone, right? That is e raised to square root of e raised to root x whole square. So this square will cancel, right? Square root cancel. So it will be e raised to root x, right? So y square is equal to e raised to root x. So it will be y square. So 1 by 4 into 1 divided by y into y square and this root x. Okay, divided by root x. So that is equal to, y cancelled. So y divided by 4 root x. Differentiate log of log x with respect to x. Y is equal to log of log x. Dy by dx is equal to d by dx of log x. Okay, log x. That is equal to derivative of log x. First we will find the derivative of this log. Okay, derivative of log x is 1 by x, right? Derivative of log x is 1 by x, but here log x. Okay, therefore you just take it as x, so it will be derivative of log x is 1 by x. It is log x. Okay, so 1 by log x. Derivative of log x is 1 by log x into derivative of log x. This inside. Okay, d by dx of log x. That is equal to 1 by log x into, here derivative of log x is 1 by x, right? So 1 by x, that is 1 divided by x log x. 1 divided by x log x. Okay, next let's do this one, ninth one. Cos x divided by log x. Here it is of the form u by v. Okay, apply quotient rule. So y is equal to cos x divided by log x. So dy by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to first denominator into log x into derivative of cos x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x minus numerator into derivative of denominator, right? So see, it is multiplication, okay? Log x into minus sin x minus cos x, that is u into, see, it is of the form u by v, right? We know that v into derivative of u, okay, minus u into derivative of v, that is cos x into derivative of v, that is 1 by x, divided by v square, that is log x whole square. That is equal to minus sin x log x minus cos x divided by x whole divided by log x whole square. Let's take LCM this one, okay? So it will be here, so minus x sin x log x minus cos x divided by this x will come to denominator, right? That is x log x whole square. X log x whole square, okay? X into log x square. That's all. Next, differentiate cos of log x plus e raised to x with respect to x. Y is equal to cos of log x plus e raised to x. That is dy by dx is equal to d by dx of cos of log x plus e raised to x. Okay. Then first we will differentiate cos. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So minus sin in place of x, here this one, log x plus e raised to x. Log x plus e raised to x into derivative of this inside function, okay, d by dx of log x plus e raised to x, that is equal to minus sin log x plus e raised to x into derivative of log x. See here, derivative of f of x plus g of x, right? It is of the form derivative of f of x plus g of x is derivative of f of x plus the derivative of g of x, right? That is d by dx of log x plus d by dx of e raised to x into, okay, that is equal to minus sin log x plus e raised to x into d by dx of log x is 1 by x plus d by dx of e raised to x is e raised to x. That is equal to, okay, you just write here 1 by x plus e raised to x into, see, minus is here, minus sin log x plus e raised to x. Okay, that is minus of 1 by x plus e raised to x into sin log x plus e raised to x.